Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Before we get started, just a quick reminder to please like, subscribe, and share this channel with someone else you think would enjoy our content. That all really helps us out. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 82. If we start with this middle row here, looks like we're missing 2, 4, and 7. We've got a 4 here, so 2, 7. 7 here, so 2, 4. 2 here, 7 here. So this is our 4, 2, 7. For this box now we're missing 3, 5, and 7. We've got a 7 covering both of these boxes, so our 7 must be here. I don't see any other help. So 3, 5, 3, 5. For this box, we're missing 2, 3, and 5. We've got a 2 here and a 3 here. So this is our 5. That 2 makes this our 3, 2. For this row now, we're missing 1, 8, and 9. We've got a 1 and 8 here, so this is our 9. 8 here, so 1, 8. For this box now, we're missing 4 and 6, and I don't see any other help. So 4, 6, 4, 6. For this column, we're missing 4, 6, and 7. We've got a 6 covering both of these boxes, so 4, 7, 4, 7. That means that our 6 has to be here, and that makes this our 4. For this column, we're missing 2, 4, and 9. We've got 2 and 9 here, so this is our 4. 4 here, so 2, 9. For this box, we're missing 6 and 9, and I think I've made a mistake again. We've got a 9 covering here and a 9 covering here, but we need a 9 in this box. So we've made a mistake somewhere. So that will do it for today's puzzle. If you saw where I made a mistake, please comment down below. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have an amazing day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.